Hi and welcome to day 19. Now yesterday we looked at our refrigerator and our freezer. Hopefully you went through those, got it a bit more organized and a bit tidied up. Today we're going to be looking at the pantry. So again, I'm showing you my pantry. It's definitely not perfect, and again, that's what I just want to make sure you understand. To live an organized life doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need the fancy containers for all your flour and things like that, but you do need to know where everything is, and you need to be able to find it. If you're trying to find your brown sugar and you have to search and search and search through every shelf, that's going to get really frustrating and you're going to give up probably. So you can see my pantry's a mess. Again, it's the end of the holiday season. I've had the kids at home full time for 2 weeks over the Christmas break. So they've been pulling stuff out. We've had extra food in here. We've got things that we wouldn't normally have in here, like cookies. So it's a complete mess. What you want to be doing is putting all your like things together. So canned goods, things like that, they all need to go together. Keep all your baking items together, so your sugar, flour, baking soda, that kind of thing. Try and keep that all together. You can't see on this side, but keep your herbs and spices together. Pastas. This is where I keep the kids' snacks. It's at a level where they can reach them easily without climbing up and hurting themselves. But then the snacks I don't want them to reach all the time, I put high up. So the chips and things like that, because my daughter will sit and eat an entire big bag of these chips. I actually keep pegs right here as well. I don't buy the fancy chip bag clips. I just use wooden clothes pegs. You get a big pack of them from the dollar store, and then I just clip them on the edge here, so we always find them, because the kids have a horrid habit of opening things and then not closing the top, and they go stale. So by having the clips right here, in theory, it encourages the kids to close them up and put a clip on the top to keep things from going stale. As you can see, it doesn't always happen though. But tackle your pantry as you're going through. If you want to have a quick look and check the dates on things, to check they're still in date, that's a good thing to do. But if that's going to take you too long, then don't tackle that today. That's a task for another day. But really, it's just about putting like with like and getting the pantry so you know where everything is, so it's quick and easy to grab things. Put smaller stuff at the front, larger stuff at the back, and just try and get a bit more organized in your pantry. Okay, so good luck with that, and I will see you tomorrow.